Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 26th of June. My software is showing me a buy trade, a system B buy trade, setting the take profits now. This is the account that we started with $250. We're over $10,000 in profits. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. We've made our withdrawal on the account, the 250 deposit I made. So we're trading free with the market's money, and we've made over $10,000 in profit. If you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to connect to my account. And if you want to buy the course to learn how to scalp, swing trade, hedge out your trades, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Also, if you want to test my software that does all the analysis for you, sign up with Milgram Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account, and then send me proof of all this on WhatsApp and Telegram, and I'll send you the software. Same thing for the copy trade. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in this trade. Like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you make as many comments as possible. We'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, guys, today is the 27th of June. I'm still holding this trade. Oh, there you go. Take profits over $2,650 made in total in 1 day scalping. I had to hold this trade for a long time because of the large profit that we're making. I have to do something now, but I'll be right back with a continuation of this video. All right, and we're back. Like I was saying, today is the 27th of June. I had to hold that trade for almost a day, and finally during this session, switch into New York session, we're able to take profit. There you go, $2,000 profit plus another $500, altogether $250. Remember, $2,650. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milgram Markets. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to copy my trade, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. Link in description below. Also, if you want to test my course that tells you when to exit your trades, when to buy, when to sell, does all the analysis, where to hedge, sign up with Milgram Markets. You can test it for 2 weeks for free. Fund your account with at least $100 to $150 so I know you're serious, and then send me proof of this, and you get the software for 2 weeks. And also, if you want to learn how to scalp and hedge so that you don't have any losses, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back with more profits or another trade soon. Like, share, and subscribe.